Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Maureen Dea, 28 years old, married. I am a caregiver course graduate. About my work experience, I work domestic helper for Philippines for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids. About my duties and responsibilities, I will mop the floor using my 2 hands, washing the clothes with washing machines, ironing the clothes, cooking with Chinese foods, take care of babies, tutoring a child.
Good day to you, Miss Maureen. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam. Thank you.
What do you think are the right attitudes and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I think the good attitude of being good domestic helper is being polite, hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
I will keep myself busy as my job.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will take children, take a bath, vitamins, conversation for them, and teach them to her assignment.
What if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I feel sorry and I did not do it again.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, I will excited to see you soon, and I will promise I will finish my contract for 2 years.
Thank you and good luck. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.